Hey folks, this is Stan, and I'm here with my Fur Buddy scooter today. It's June 15th, 2026. It's been an unusually cool day. Our high temperature didn't even get out of the 60s today. It's about 6:15 in the evening, and it's currently in the low 60s here with a pretty steady cool breeze. I am at what's called Callahan's Crossing on the Virginia Creeper Trail. This was damaged during the hurricane, and Kiwi Construction is rapidly restoring the trail this year. In this direction right here, this is going towards Damascus on the Creeper Trail. I'm standing on Grassy Ridge Rd, and there is temporary bridge number 41. This is where Trestle number 41 was on the Virginia Creeper Trail. It sustained some damage after the hurricane as a result of flooding waters here of Green Cove Creek, and eventually it buckled and it was taken out. So this is a temporary bridge for the workers to use. A lot of people don't know this, but Grassy Ridge Road was a feeder line for the old Abingdon Branch of the Norfolk and Western Railroad, and it was used to haul, predominantly used to haul timber out of the forest in the early 1900s when the Hassinger Lumber Company was timbering the area. So they would haul the timber down some of these feeder lines like this, which joined the main rail line right here. We're about 3.5 miles west of the Whitetop Station, and probably about 1.5 miles below the Green Cove Station. Here's one of the temporary bridges. And I'll walk you over real quick, and we'll cross this single lane bridge that carries vehicles over Green Cove Creek. This was one of the first sections on this end of the trail that was damaged pretty extensively during Hurricane Helene. Right over there beyond that little porta potty. They've already started building it back up, but the trail bed had just washed off into the creek here. Trail surface, I should say. It is an absolutely beautiful late spring day here in Southwest Virginia. It's as cool and comfortable as it can be. It is Green Cove Creek. We had a little rain last night, so it's running pretty good. But we've been in a drought and have a rainfall deficit here this year so far. But anyway, just want to give you a little update on what's going on down here. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Take care. Thank you.